Hi, welcome to How to Repair. This video is on a Beko washing machine that's not heating. I will be showing you how to test the heating element and also the NTC sensor, and also show you how to change them. Now, we've got a Beko washing machine here that hasn't shown an error fault, but it has been stuck on the wash cycle for over 2 hours and basically it's not heating. I've tested it with my amp meter already and it's not drawing any current. I'll show you that at the end of the video. So what we're going to do is let the machine empty, switch it off from the power supply, and then undo the back panel to gain access to the element. Now, this video can be used on other makes, as a lot of washing machines have NTC sensors fitted, and all washing machines nearly have a heating element fitted. Now, just at the bottom there we have the heating element and NTC sensor. So as I said earlier, for safety, always make sure you unplug the appliance before working on it from the electricity supply. Now we're going to remove the 2 cables which go to the heating element, setting the meter to continuity, and we'll test for resistance across the element. And as you can see, we have resistance, so therefore the element is good. And now we're going to test the NTC sensor. Now, there's links on the left hand side of this video and also in the description below for mobile users, and these links will actually take you to the website, and on the website we have a detailed video on how NTC sensors work. Now, I've actually got a little test connection block which allows me to get onto the terminals without messing around, because the terminals are very small and very hard to get your probe on. Now, got the 2 probes onto the actual sensor, but we are getting no reading at all. Now, your meter must be set on ohms to do a test on an NTC sensor, but this is open circuit. Now, I'll just do a test on the new one. Now, all NTC sensors have a tolerance level which is only given out by the manufacturer of the NTC sensor and also the appliance manufacturer, and they're only usually distributed to the engineers. But this NTC sensor, I know, has a tolerance level of around 6,000, and as I was holding the NTC sensor, the value was dropping, which means it's working correctly. As the NTC sensor gets warm, the tolerance level drops, but you can see all this in the more detailed video. And as you can see, as I'm not touching it now, it's going up slightly. And I know this new NTC sensor is perfect anyway. So to fit the new NTC sensor, you need to remove the nut in the middle of the element, but not all the way off the thread. You just need to leave it on the end there, and then with a screwdriver just tap it in, and that will release the pressure off the seal, allowing you to get the element out. Now, sometimes these are very sticky and you might have to use a small stumpy screwdriver to prise it out. And there we go, we have the element, a little bit of clothing wrapped on it. Now, here's the NTC sensor. Now we've taken the pressure off the seal, we're able to prise out the old NTC sensor. We can discard this and we'll fit the new one. I always recommend just putting a touch of fairy liquid or something on the end of it, and it will help it slide into the rubber easily. And then it's a good idea to clean up the surface of the seal, get all the lime scale off it, and then again just dry it off, and then put a little bit of fairy liquid on this seal before reinserting the element. Now, as I said earlier, there are links to all Beko parts on the top left hand side of this tutorial, and also in the description below. and there's also some links to the tutorials and the FAQ section on washing machines for more information on Bekos. We have all the test procedure on all components and the diagnostic videos. And please remember to subscribe to our channel, which is on the left hand side, whether it being on Facebook or Google+, or subscribe on the YouTube channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these free videos for you. Just showing you how the seal locks up here. As you do the nut, it brings that piece of metal down onto the seal, which clamps the seal to the tub. And there you go. Now, before we put the machine on test, I just make sure you get the wiring on correctly. If you are ever unsure about working on machine, it's always worthwhile taking a photograph before starting the job of the wiring. But on this machine it's straightforward. There are only 3 wires, a live, a neutral and an earth, and then of course the jack plug for the NTC sensor. So now we've got it all connected. I will just put the machine on test for you, and I've connected up my amp meter, and as you can see, when the machine is stopped turning in a second, we're drawing just over 7 amps on the heating element. And there you go. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. Please do remember to support the website by buying your parts from us, and do subscribe to our channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these free videos for you. And remember, if you did find this video helpful, you can always click on the link before to buy Paul a beer. Thanks very much indeed. Bye bye.